Welcome to the enchanting world of cat naps, where slumber is an art form. Our feline friends are experts at snoozing, their days filled with dreams and dozes. From light cat naps to deep whisker-twitching slumbers, these creatures find peace and tranquility in their sleep. But have you ever wondered what's happening behind those closed eyes? What mysteries lie beneath their serene sleep? Well, buckle up, cat lovers. Let's dive into the dreamy world of cats, where sleep is more than just a pastime. Did you know that cats can sleep anywhere from 12 to 16 hours a day? That's right, our feline companions spend more than half of their lives in the land of Nod. From the sun-drenched windowsill to the cozy nooks and crannies of your home, cats can be found dozing off in the most unexpected of places. But don't be fooled, there's more to their sleep than meets the eye. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the intriguing world of cat nap time. Watch these feline friends as they master the art of sleeping in the most peculiar positions. We have cats that curl up like a cinnamon roll, others that drape themselves over the arm of a chair, some that stretch out like a slinky, and a few that sleep belly up, with their paws in the air. The variety is endless and utterly delightful. Each pose is a testament to their flexibility and adaptability. It's part of what makes cats such unique and fascinating creatures. They can transform the most challenging spots into the perfect nap nooks. And they do it all with an effortless grace that makes you wonder, how do they do it? In their world, there's no such thing as an uncomfortable sleeping position. They redefine comfort on their own terms. From curling in a ball to sprawling across the couch, cats sure know how to sleep in style. Ever wondered why cats sleep so much? Let's hear from the experts. Cats aren't just lazy loafers, as some may believe. According to Dr. Felina Purrington, a leading feline behaviorist, cats are descendants of wild predators. Their ancestors needed to conserve energy for hunting, and so they evolved to sleep extensively. Even domestic cats, who have their meals served on a silver platter, retain this instinct. They're hardwired to nap frequently, readying themselves for the hypothetical hunt. Another expert, Professor Tom Whiskers, adds an interesting point. He explains that cats are crepuscular creatures, meaning they're most active during dawn and dusk. Hence, they sleep a lot during the day and sometimes even at night. So it's not just about being cuddly and cute. Their extensive sleep habits are deeply rooted in survival instincts and natural rhythms. So it turns out there's a scientific reason behind their excessive napping. But what exactly happens when cats sleep? Let's take a closer look. Like us, cats experience two primary stages of sleep: rapid eye movement, or REM sleep, and non-REM sleep. However, the duration and frequency of these stages differ significantly from ours. Cats spend about 60% of their sleep time in non-REM sleep, a restful and rejuvenating phase. The remaining 40% is spent in REM sleep, where most of their dreaming occurs. But here's the catch. Unlike humans who have long, uninterrupted sleep cycles, cats have multiple short sleep cycles throughout the day and night. This pattern is a throwback to their wild ancestors who needed to wake frequently for hunting and staying alert to potential threats. So, the next time you see your feline friend drifting off into dreamland, remember, they're not just snoozing. They're partaking in an intricate dance of sleep cycles honed by evolution. Just like us, cats have their own unique sleep cycles. Now let's hear some personal sleep stories from cat owners themselves. Picture this, a cat named Whiskers, who can only seem to doze off when curled up in the most unusual places, like the kitchen sink or atop a bookshelf. Or consider Bella, a feisty feline who, despite her active daytime antics, transforms into a peaceful sleeper, her gentle purrs a soothing lullaby in the quiet of the night. Then there's Oliver, a mischievous mouser with a knack for falling asleep mid-play, toy mouse still clutched in his paw. And who could forget Daisy, a dainty tabby who dreams so vividly, her twitching paws and muted meows hint at epic adventures in her slumbering mind. These endearing tales remind us that just like us, every cat has its own sleep quirks, its own rhythm, its own little nighttime rituals. Seems like every cat has its own unique sleep personality. Understanding your cat's sleep can enhance the bond between you two. You see, when your cat curls up on your lap, purring softly, eyes half closed in drowsy contentment, it's not just about the physical comfort. It's a sign of trust, a silent declaration of safety and love. They're saying, I trust you enough to let my guard down, to enter a state where I'm vulnerable. This trust builds a unique bond, a connection that's strengthened each time your cat chooses to snooze in your presence. It's a bond that's nurtured with every gentle stroke of their fur as they drift off to sleep, every whispered word that soothes them into their dreams. So the next time your cat settles down for a nap, remember, it's not just sleep, it's a profound expression of trust, of love. And the more you understand this, the deeper your bond with your feline friend becomes. A sleeping cat is a trusting cat. It's time to debunk some common myths about cat sleep. You've probably heard the myth that cats are nocturnal. In reality, they're crepuscular, which means they're most active during dawn and dusk. Another popular myth is that if a cat is sleeping a lot, it must be bored or lazy. But remember, cats naturally sleep for 12 to 16 hours a day. It's their way of conserving energy for hunting, even if they're indoor cats. And let's not forget the classic myth, cats can sleep anywhere. While it's true that cats can sleep in some pretty strange places, they do prefer safe, warm, and quiet spots. And no, snoring doesn't necessarily mean that your cat is in a deep sleep. It could be a sign of a respiratory problem, so keep an eye out. Now that we've busted some myths, let's look at how we can ensure our cats are getting the best sleep. Want to make sure your cat is getting the best sleep? Here are some tips. First, ensure your cat's bed is in a quiet, low-light area where they can drift off undisturbed. Cats are light sleepers and can be easily awakened by noise or sudden light changes. Second, keep the temperature cozy. Cats prefer a slightly warmer environment to curl up in. A soft blanket in their favorite spot might just do the trick. Third, stick to a routine. Cats are creatures of habit. If they're accustomed to a particular sleep-wake cycle, sudden changes can throw them off course. Fourth, engage your cat in active play during the day. This helps them burn off energy and promotes better sleep at night. Lastly, monitor your cat's sleep patterns. If you notice any major changes, it might be worth a visit to the vet. With these tips, your cat will be enjoying dreamland in no time. Let's look at the latest scientific research on cat sleep. It's a realm of bewitching mystery, where scientists are constantly peeling back the layers to unveil new discoveries. For instance, recent research has found a correlation between a cat's sleep patterns and its overall health. Cats that sleep excessively or unusually may be signaling underlying health issues, a crucial insight for cat parents. Moreover, studies have uncovered that cats dream just like us. This is due to their REM, or rapid eye movement sleep stage, where most dreaming occurs. Fascinating, isn't it? And it doesn't stop there. Other research has shown that a cat's sleep position can indicate its comfort level and sense of security. A cat curled up in a ball, for instance, might be trying to conserve warmth or protect its vital organs. So, as you see, understanding our feline friends' sleep is a fascinating journey. It's not just about counting the hours they snooze, but delving into the nuances of their slumber. Now that we know more about cat sleep, let's appreciate it in a new light. Understanding the intricacies of our feline friends' slumber isn't just about curiosity. It's about building a stronger bond, better catering to their needs, and ensuring they're living their best 9 lives. From the evolutionary reasons behind their extensive sleep habits, to the different stages of their sleep cycles, and even debunking common cat sleep myths, we've covered it all. Each quirky sleeping position and every twitch of their whiskers has a tale to tell. We've also shared some practical tips to help ensure your cat is getting healthy sleep, and delved into the latest research in this fascinating field. So next time you see your feline friend curling up for a nap, remember, there's more to their sleep than meets the eye. Share your own cat sleep stories or tips with us.